So, Kia Picanto, customer called me saying, I've been towed home, I think my clutch is gone. Clutch pedal feels good. It's an old school cable clutch pedal, but even with the clutch up, engine is running. I can select gear and we go nowhere. So I'm in 5th right now. It don't matter. Yeah, I can take the handbrake down. Oh no, I can't because I start rolling, I gotta push back. But like literally, clutch down. So I'm in 1st. I got nothing. Well, just leave it off. I can. But the fact I can change gear with the engine running and clutch up leads me to believe that the clutch plate is stuck to the flywheel. So the chance of likely pressure plate has failed. It could be the actual fork that's jammed up and failed. But ultimately, I could smell the clutch when I first got here, where it'd been burning out, and I got 0 drive. So it's in for a clutch, pressure plate, new thrust bearing, 31,000 miles as a 2019 Kia Picanto.